and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are coming to work with me. I am finally vlogging like a work day. It's actually not a paid gig, it's a bridal styled shoot that I'm gonna be bringing you guys along on, and I'm super excited. So a hairstylist that I connected with on Instagram was planning a bridal styled shoot and asked me if I wanted to do the makeup for it. So of course I said yes, and I decided I was gonna vlog for you guys. If you don't know what a bridal styled shoot is, basically you get a couple wedding vendors together and you create like a fake wedding shoot that you all can use on like your social media and stuff. Perfect timing because we're about to be heading into possibly another shutdown, so I need some content to keep uploading to my Instagram. So yeah, I'm super excited. I will put the hairstylist and all the other vendors information either on the screen or in the description box. And yeah, I just thought it'd be cool to kind of let you guys in a little bit on what it's like to work like on a photo shoot or a styled shoot. I believe I'm doing two different models. One's gonna be like more of like a darker sultry look, and one's gonna be more of a like traditional bridal look. And I'll show you guys clips of the hair being done as well. And I'm actually bringing my boyfriend along. I'm dragging him along, and he's gonna be my cameraman. So he's gonna be basically vlogging for me. I'm not gonna be like talking during the vlog. Like, I'm just kind of gonna do my thing, add some music, let you guys watch me do makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys like this kind of video. Don't forget to give this video a like and a share if you liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, so subscribe. Yeah, let's head to work.
Can I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings, yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets between you and me. Between you and me, yeah. You know me like no one. It's like you get done up to get me undone. Killing me in that dress all night. It's only 8, and I'm down to close down this place, yeah. But I'd rather close up this space. Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets between you and me. Between you and me, yeah. Between you and me. Between you and me, yeah. Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets between you and me. Between you and me, yeah. I've been sleeping late, and if I'm speaking honestly,
My dreams are the only place. Thought of you can't bother me. And when I'm wide awake, it takes all of my energy to tell our friends we never been this happy. Waiting for the glass house to calm down, waiting to hear that crashing sound, waiting for the right words to tell you how. I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. I don't wanna be false, make love like we deserve it to cover up what's hurting. Hey, I don't wanna be false, I've been making shit up, but I'll come clean. I finish in the bathroom while you fall asleep without me. And our friends, they say they want this, but they don't see that it's inevitable. And inevitably the glass house will come down, just waiting to hear that crashing sound, waiting for the right words to tell you how. I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. I don't wanna be false, make love like we deserve it to cover up what's hurting. Hey, I don't wanna be false, pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. Oh, I don't wanna be false art, make love like we deserve it to cover up what's hurting. I don't wanna be false art. I don't wanna be false art.
I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender, yelling out them drinks, while the cover band off key sings, yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. You know me like no one. It's like you get done up to get me undone. Killing me in that dress all night. It's only 8 and I'm down to close down this place, yeah. But I'd rather close up this space. Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah.
I just wanted to hop on here and close out this vlog just because it's been a couple days since the shoot and I didn't want to just end it abruptly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos in the comment section. If you like these like come to work with me vlog style videos. I had a lot of fun filming it. I hope to do more of these next year, but it's definitely easier when I have someone with me, like my boyfriend or somebody, to do the filming and kind of help me out. It would be kind of hard to do everything myself because I'm so focused on work when I'm working, and it's hard to focus on work and a camera. But I definitely enjoyed filming it and I hope to do more of these. What else did I want to say? Oh, definitely check out the other vendors that I worked with. I will put their information in the description box, the hairstylist, the dress shop, and the photographer. So if you're a bride and you happen to be watching this and you live in New Jersey, that dress shop has some really awesome dresses, and they're based in Manalapan, New Jersey, and the hairdresser is super awesome and so sweet, Tiffany. That was my first time working with her. She actually found me on YouTube, so that's pretty cool. But she, I believe, has a studio based out of Woodbridge, New Jersey. So if you need your hair done, you know, for a wedding or a special event, definitely check her out. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, if you're still watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.